Are you struggling to deploy your Python app on Heroku and facing the dreaded no default language could be detected error? You're not alone. Today, we will tackle this frustrating issue together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you think you've done everything right, only to be met with an error message. Many developers have faced this issue, and it can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. Here's the situation we're diving into today. A user is trying to deploy their project to Heroku, but keeps encountering an error stating that no default language could be detected. They have a runtime.txt file, but it seems Heroku isn't recognizing it. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, Heroku is unable to automatically detect the build pack for your application. This can happen for various reasons, including issues with your runtime.txt file or the absence of necessary files. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue with Heroku not detecting the default language, the user should first ensure that the runtime.txt file is correctly formatted. This file should specify the Python version in a simple format. Next, the user should verify that the runtime.txt file is located in the root directory of the project. This is crucial for Heroku to detect it properly. If the issue persists, the user should consider adding a build pack manually. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal to set the Python build pack. Finally, the user should push the changes to Heroku again. This will allow Heroku to attempt to build the application with the specified settings. Fun fact, did you know that Heroku was originally built to host Ruby applications? Now it supports multiple languages, including Python, making it a versatile platform for developers. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution to the Heroku deployment issue is to specify the build pack during app creation. You can do this by using the command Heroku create my app build pack Heroku/Python. If the app is already created, you can set the build pack with Heroku build pack set Heroku/Python. Additionally, the user found that having unnecessary files like package.json in their Django project was causing detection issues. They resolved this by removing those files. Also, ensure that your proc file and other Heroku files are at the root of your Git directory to avoid detection failures. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests ensuring your runtime.txt file specifies the correct Python version. They recommend using the command to create or update the runtime.txt file with Python version 3.7.0. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests that Heroku can automatically identify your app as a Python application if certain files are present in the root directory. These files include requirements.txt, setup.py, or pip file. To create a requirements.txt file, you can use the command pip freeze followed by the greater than symbol and requirements.txt. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your configuration files before deploying. A small oversight can lead to big headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the deployment issue on Heroku. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And remember to keep coding.